Early morning view from our Shikara. We're going back to the mainland. It is very dull right now, fully cloudy. The sun hasn't still come out. And see, these are the houseboats. This is the houseboat, Jewel in the Crown. Look at the carving. You can't make out this is a boat. Beautiful carvings. Typical Kashmiri chinar carvings. Look at this. Look at the view. This is the Shikara. We can go from here to the mainland. This is the morning view. Now I'll take you inside the Shikara, inside the houseboat. This is the lounge where you can sit. All the guests can sit here.
Spend more time in Pahalgam. 1-2 days Srinagar. One day.
Look at this
you can go and come
beautiful
Gulmarg and Sonamarg. There's not much. It's just meadows.
ceilings.
But Pahalgam is very
Lovely. Wow.
Chale?
Excellent lounge. This is the dining room. And this is the pantry. These are all the rooms over here. I will take you in my room. It is not in a very good condition since we stayed overnight, but I want to show how beautiful it is. It's all messed up. See how beautiful it is. There are two beds, one double bed and one single bed. If your children are coming with you, it's very nice. And this is the dressing room and the washroom. Wow, nice. Look at the carving everywhere.